that it happen for the wako, the thing them pass power for man. If you want to look the thing the way you go look you see say you go understand say some of the thing and they so it pass my power. So what did it happen? Now we will tell una. For that side for New Bell, una know what happen for New Bell, no countryman, countrywoman. But una know so they come for here for develop them again for una for tell now exactly how the thing pass. That picking them for New Bell, where about 105 of them. They be poison for that means say food poison. That's what they talk. They chop some chop. We start worrying their belly. We don't hear say 2 don't quarrel for that picking them. What I mean now for the tower they talk this talk so man don't know. But most of them don't come out back for hospital because La Cantini Hospital they don't write some plenty some long book for explain them say plenty of that picking them they don't come out for the 105 picking them when they come for hospital for sick that food poisoning. They say now only 6 they now for hospital. The other one them they don't come out. So the information it is circulate and the one they come out for person when na the oga kwata for Tori Palaba for l'hôpital La Cantini. He signed them now yesterday. They communicate, they talk about the intoxication where they begin and get them for New Bell, and then he talks to the director for the hospital for La Cantini. He informed the public say they don't take 105 picking them, and then 99 they don't come out, and then 99 small picking, 6 adult. That means 6 big people them. You see after the first treatment where they give them for Ministry of Health, now it make assuming they give them that treatment. 19 picking them and 1 adult them. They don't go for their house, and then 85 patients them. They don't hospitalize them, and then they don't put them for observation, and then massive observation they take place. And then yesterday for 12 o'clock, Hospital La Cantini it count as 6 victims them where they continue for take treatment for day. And then some case where the 19-year way it seriously it can be very serious. So it is for reanimation, and then presently it is out of danger. And then the communicate continue for talk to the director for La Cantini. He talks say it support all the victims them and their family them, and then he thank their oga kwata, and then the oga for big man when oga for this Douala or Littoral where they call it governor, and all people the way in a big way for head. He thank them. And then he also thank workers for La Cantini Hospital for their very good mobilization. Now, what happen? They say they picking them, they chop some they call it say galette. Galette, na some biscuit way they make for traditional way. When I know that kind of biscuit they take and grind, so one they take OO biscuit, the one they don't they mix and they make up, they fry them, they make and they call it say galette. Now way that picking them damage and then it happen, even big people they damage it poison their organism. As I tell now, so according to some information, say now 4 no be 2, now 4 people don't quarrel according to the latest information they will gather up. So now which thing they put up for the galette? Now the question that where the people put up for galette where it take picking them, it goes so countryman, countrywoman. Now wait till una put up for galette. Governor his system don't come out, it throw it to for the matter. So now begin look out to any rampant eating. They will not say what we talk. I'm so people the way they not fit chop 3 times or 1 day, they not go hear that story. So we dey understand some of them. But the matter, the way the matter they and say, thank God say plenty of them, they don't better. That's what they think they and that's what go work out.